Hey Susie, this is Dominic, your assessor. We're here today to complete your assessment of operating of the unit operating digital devices. How do you feel about today, Susie?
I'm a little bit nervous, Dominic.
It's okay. We'll just I hope you get through it. Just you're able to follow my instructions and do the
Yes, I'll
assessment.
try.
Yep, no issues. All right. I want to quickly share my screen now, just so we can tick off a couple of things. All right. All right.
Yep.
Can you see my Word doc?
Yes, I can.
All right, let me just quickly get through this safety checklist first. Today is 26/01/2023. All right. Are you familiar with the equipment and task?
Yes.
Are the tools and equipment in a safe condition, like your computer and phone and
Yes.
all that? Yep. Do I have approved documentation for the task?
Yes.
Have I informed others who may be affected by my work?
Yes.
Do I have correct PPE for the task?
Yes.
Alrighty. Are there any hazards? Any hazards there for your assessment today?
No.
No. Okay. Not applicable. Sorry. No. None identified. Alrighty. Susie. Now we're going to go through your pre-brief interviews. So the name is Susie Chang. Let me just let me just put in the date again. All right. The reason I'm just going to quickly go through this pre-brief interview so we can so you've a good understanding what the assessment's about.
Yeah.
First of all, the reason and purpose for this assessment: everyone at MEM Engineering, where you work, has received a range of new devices that they can use in their job roles, and you guys are being assessed to ensure that you're competent in using these devices. Do you understand this?
Yes.
Okay. The company standard being assessed today is BSB TEC 101 operating digital devices. You know, this is the unit that we're doing today.
Yes.
Okay. Basically, the summary of assessment tasks are today you're doing a knowledge-based assessments and practical. You're required to answer 5 questions. Then you will be required to activate, perform a range of functions, and deactivate the device on 3 occasions. All right. The knowledge stuff will be a bit shorter. The practical stuff will be a bit longer. We're gonna do the practical 3 times. Okay.
Okay.
Um, you need requirements to pass this unit is to be competent in everything. So you need to be satisfactory in everything you do. Do you understand this?
Yes.
Um, Basically, if you're competent, you get a statement. A statement will be issued, and MEM would know that you are competent in using the devices. If you're not yet competent, then we'll have to organize a Sorry, my phone just went off. That's fine. We have to organize a reassessment to get this stuff reassessed and address any missing information and knowledge. All right? Do you understand?
Okay.
Yep.
Yep.
This assessment will take about 1 hour. If you're submitting a practical evidence via video, this may be submitted within 2 weeks of the original assessment date. You understand this?
Yes.
Yep. Um, Reasonable adjustments. Now, I'm pretty sure you told me that um, originally this assessment was meant to be completed on an iPad, but apparently the devices you're using mainly at work, the new devices, is a computer. So, is that right?
Yeah, that's correct.
Yeah. So we need to. So I've already made. So we need to make a reasonable adjustment to make sure that you can complete these assessments on the computer because they've been more suitable for you. Is that all right?
Yep.
Yep. All right. Reasonable adjustment made. Adjustment made. Assessments to be completed on computer, not iPad, as it does not suit. Just put that there. That's fine. All right. If you are deemed not competent, there is an appeals process that may be used if you feel you've been unfairly treated. The first step is to discuss it with me. Then, if it's not resolved, you can undertake a formal appeals process. You can get more information on this on our training and assessment website, on the Forsyth website. Do you understand this?
Yes.
And also, the results of the assessment will be maintained in a safe environment. So only you, us, the training provider, and your MEM engineering would only know about your results. Okay, so it would not be
Yep.
going to anyone else.
Okay.
In your HR department as well.
Mm-hmm.
And you're responsible to submit authentic evidence. We're doing a practical work today, so everything will be authentic. So that's pretty clear. You understand that?
Yep.
Are you ready to be assessed, Susie?
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Okay, let me just get rid of that. All right. Do you give me permission to sign virtually on this?
Yes.
Okay, that permission. So that's for an old assessment. C.Chang virtual permission gained to sign. All right. Nope. Alrighty, now the next bit. Now, as I said before, we're going to do some knowledge tasks. So we've got 5 questions we're going to answer. You've got to answer. So let me just quickly fill in these missing details real quick. Alrighty. I'm going to stop sharing my screen.
Okay.
And you got to answer these questions that I tell you, okay?
Yep.
Alrighty. All right, question number 1. This is knowledge-based questions, all right?
Yep.
Actually, did I forget to go through anything with you? Sorry, these knowledge-based assessments take around 15 minutes, 5 questions to be answered, and this will be conducted over Zoom, and I will deem you, then I'll assess you on your results, okay? So, all right. First question. List 3 procedures for powering up and accessing a digital device.
Sorry, can you repeat that question?
Yeah, sure. List 3 procedures for powering up and accessing a digital device. You can use your resources if you've made any notes throughout class.
Yeah. Oh, so the first would be to sorry, Dominic. Can we just pause it?
All right, Susie, I just asked the question one more time, some technical difficulties. The first question is, list 3 procedures for powering up and accessing a digital device.
You could plug in a power cord. You could press the on and off button, and you could connect to the Wi-Fi.
Yep. All right, question number 2. Describe 3 key components of a digital system and their function.
Keyboard for writing or adding text. Webcam for video
Uh-huh.
conferencing.
Writing for writing or adding texts.
Webcam video conferencing.
Yeah.
Headset, listening and speaking.
Oh, to listen and speak. Okay, headset
Yeah.
to listen
And
and
speak.
and speak. Awesome. All right. Question number 3. Identify 2 key functions of an operating system.
Security is a big one.
Yep.
And process management.
All right. Question number 4. Provide an example of a machine inspection report following MEM name file conventions.
Inappropriate sitting. Oh no, that could be wrong.
No, the question number 4.
Yep, question number 4 would be data type of machinery.
So just say you'll name a file, data,
Yeah.
then type of machinery. And what's the
Yeah.
last bit? Anything else?
Username / employee number.
So that's how you'll name a file. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry. Okay, next question, the final question. List 3 ergonomic issues that it can impact the use of digital devices.
Poor lighting.
Lighting. Yeah.
Strain on the eyes.
Strain your eyes. Yep.
Inappropriate desk space.
All right. Now I'm going to quickly mark your responses. Just give me a second, okay?
Mm-hmm.
That's good. Hold on. This document's a bit wonky, so I just got to highlight your responses. That 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. I was going to write up your feedback, then we'll go on to the next task. Just give me a second. Right, just got to sign it. It's a lot of signing when you're assessing. But that is a knowledge component done, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So you might need to go to any other resources for the next task. Now I'm just going to put in the task here. All right, up to the knowledge task now. Okay. Do you have your computer and your phone with you?
Yes, I do.
Awesome. I'm just going to put the date. You forgot that. Alrighty. So basically, I'm going to give you a list of instructions. I'm going to, one step at a time, give you instructions. and you've got to perform this on your computer. When I say use your phone, use your phone. You'll have to share your screen. I'll tell you when to share your screen. We've got to do these instructions 3 times. So we'll do it through one list, and then we'll go again, then we'll go again, just to show that you absolutely know how to operate digital devices, okay? Yeah, this assessment should take around 45 minutes. This is in a simulated MEM environment. All tasks must be performed as standard in the unit. After the 3rd practical task, I will finalize your documentation, provide verbal feedback on the day of the assessment, okay? I'll provide all the feedback for everything right at the end, even the knowledge stuff, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. And I'll make some comments, all right? So if you can please share your screen now to the main screen. On before we do that. Alrighty. All right, so the first device is so it's on a computer. It's fine. Are you ready for me to give you some instructions?
Yep.
Okay. Prepare an ergonomic workplace. Is your chair at a correct height, screen at a correct height, and chair adjusted correctly?
Yes, it is.
It's all done. You're not strained, nothing like that. Screen's
No,
at a
I'm
good height.
fine. Yeah, I'm comfortable.
Oh, cool. It might take a bit of time in between. Participant. Participant has. Okay, here we go. Let's do that. All right. Next step is to start up and log on to the digital device following MEM procedures, but this is already done because you're using a computer. Participant. All right, just gotta. All right. Now I need you to save the MEM users procedure for digital devices Word doc onto the desktop. So can you do that for me, please?
Yep.
Can you click on it and save it again?
Yep.
Open. I said open the Word doc. Yep. Okay. File. Yep. On the desktop. Yep.
Yep, I've done it.
Awesome. And next thing I want you to do is create a folder called user procedures on the desktop.
Did you want me to create a new folder?
A new folder. Yep, that's right. Yeah, it's called user procedures. Do you want me to spell it for you or?
Or did I spell it wrong?
Yeah, spelled it a little bit wrong.
That's it. That'll do.
And can you please move the file? Hold on.
Sorry, let me just fix this spelling.
Yep, CE.
Yep.
Yeah, and can you please move the user procedures file in the doc into that file?
Yep.
Yeah, just drag it. Oh, I think you still got it.
I think because it's open. Yep.
Yeah, you got to close it. Try again. Done. All right, now Let me just write that
Just want to make
down.
sure it's in there. Yep.
Yeah, it's
Just
in there.
double checking it's in there.
Let me just quickly make a comment. Sorry, just give me a second. All right. Use the search function to search for MEM user procedures. Use the search function.
Down the bottom here.
To the right. Yeah, type in users procedures. Ah, there you go.
Yep.
No.
Yep.
No. Try again. Try to get out of it. Try again. Do it again. You were so close. Do it again. The Word
Yep.
doc, not the file. The Word doc. Yep. Keep typing
Okay.
it in. Keep typing it in.
Yep.
Get down. There we are. Awesome.
Yep.
Awesome. All right. Can you just get out of that just for a second? Just get out of that Word doc. The next task, because you're a bit ahead, is to open up the user procedures Word doc. Open it up. And add your name and date you use this procedure for. So just add your name onto the. Did you just do your first name? It's Susie. That's and the date, which is the 26th. Yep, and just next thing is to save the changes and close the Word doc. And close the Word doc. I need you to create a subfolder in the users procedures folder. So open up the user procedures folder and create another folder inside it. And name it archive. Archive.
It's AR.
CHIVE.
Yep.
The next step is to open and close any document on your flash drive, USB, external hard drive, SharePoint, or cloud storage. Do you have a USB in the computer right now?
No, I don't.
Uh,
Would you like me to put one in?
If you could, that'd be awesome. While you do that, I'll do this. Awesome. Sweet. All done. All right. Used find USB. All right. Now I need you to show me your phone on the camera. Are you able to download the Flybys app on your phone and just show me that's been downloaded?
Yep.
Awesome. Sweet. All right. Can you access the help function on your device?
On my computer?
Yep.
Do I just type in help?
Beautiful. On the money. Good. Now, if you can get out of that and rename, can you please rename the user procedures file to MEM users procedure? Rename the original file.
Yep.
No, the file. Rename the file. Yeah, you might need to get out of the. Yep.
Sorry,
Yep.
Dominic, what would you like me to rename it to?
MEM users procedures. User procedures. MEM user procedures. Yep. Now, if you can go in the, if you can rename the subfolder to archive 2022. Yeah. Now, if you could please delete that archive 2022 folder. All right. Then the next step is to demonstrate how to shut down your device, but I don't want you to do that because we're doing it through Zoom. But if you were to shut down the device, could you hover over the button on the computer that you would use to shut down the device?
Sorry, Dominic.
No, it's okay. So where would you go? And what would you
Just
click?
there.
What would you click on that?
I would do shutdown.
Okay, awesome. All right, I'm just gonna quickly save this. I'm just gonna quickly pause this assessment just for 2 seconds. Hey, Sis, we're back.
Yeah.
Good, you've done your first performance assessment. Now I've got to give you some feedback, then we'll come back a bit later, all right? So in the meeting, I'll end the meeting now. We'll come back, complete the second one. I'll do the feedback again, then we'll do the third one. Okay? Awesome.
Okay, Dominic.
All right. Thank you.